explorers, welcome back to our channel. I hope you all are doing well. So let us begin with the chapter number 14th of grammar, and the name of the chapter is Transformation of Sentences 2, right? So let's talk about the transformation of sentences in the part 2, right? So first of all, we have simple sentence. So it says, a simple sentence contains only one clause. एक simple sentence में सिर्फ एक ही clause होता है. There are three main kinds of simple sentences. Total 3 तरीके के simple sentences होते हैं. Kind 1, पहला kind, it has a subject, a transitive verb and an object. केस में एक सब्जेक्ट होता है, एक ट्रांजिटिव वर्ब होता है और साथ ही साथ एक ऑब्जेक्ट भी होता है. द सब्जेक्ट डज समथिंग डायरेक्टली टू द ऑब्जेक्ट. ये जो सब्जेक्ट है ये डायरेक्टली कुछ ना कुछ ऑब्जेक्ट के साथ करता है. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, द ईगल कॉट द स्नेक, राइट. नेक्स्ट, काइंड 2, इट हैज अ सब्जेक्ट एंड अ वर्ब बट नो ऑब्जेक्ट. इसमें एक सब्जेक्ट होता है, एक वर्ब होता है, पर कोई भी ऑब्जेक्ट नहीं होता है. सो इट इज द वर्ब इज इंट्रांजिटिव, द सब्जेक्ट डज समथिंग बट नॉट टू एन ऑब्जेक्ट, राइट. कि इसमें जो वर्ब है वो ट्रांजिटिव है, बट जो सब्जेक्ट है वो कुछ ना कुछ काम तो कर रहा है, बट कोई ऑब्जेक्ट नहीं है जिस पर वो काम परफॉर्म कर रहा हो, राइट. For example, the baby cried loudly, right? Next is kind 3. It has a subject and a verb we. केस में एक सब्जेक्ट होता है और एक वर्ब be होता है. For example, the girls were happy. Bats are mammals. Next we have combining two or more simple sentences into a single simple sentence. कि अगर हम दो या दो से ज़्यादा simple sentences को एक single simple sentence में convert करें तो this we can combine two or more simple sentences can be combined into single sentence by different ways. कि हम दो या दो से ज़्यादा सिंपल सेंटेंसेस को कंबाइन कर सकते हैं एक सिंगल सेंटेंस में बहुत सारे अलग अलग तरीकों से. कैसे? लेट्स फाइंड इट आउट. सो सबसे पहला है बाय यूजिंग अ पार्टिसिपल. कि हम एक पार्टिसिपल यूज करके उन्हें कंबाइन कर सकते हैं. जस्ट लाइक ही सॉ अ लायन, ही रैन अवे. सीइंग अ लायन, ही रैन अवे. Sumit found his watch. It was broken. Sumit found his watch broken. She reached home. She saw her friend. She was waiting for her. So it is reaching home. She saw her friend waiting for her. The thief heard some noises. He ran away. Hearing some noise, the thief ran away. Next, it is using a preposition with a noun or a adjective. So let's find out. There was a heavy rain. The roads were flooded. The roads were flooded with rainwater. Sahil amused us. He told me a funny joke. Sahil amused us by telling a funny joke. You have taken the car. There is no doubt about this. There is no doubt about you are taking the car. He worked hard. He has failed. In spite of hard work, He has failed. Right? Now, next thing that we have over here is using an infinitive. हम एक infinitive को कैसे use कर सकते हैं? So it is, the kitten should be fed. It is time. It's time to feed the kitten. They went to the town hall. They had to meet the mayor. They went to the town hall to meet the mayor. The player must go. The referee told him so. The referee told the player to go. Payal is very clever. She cannot fail. Payal is too clever to fail. Next, using a noun or noun phrase in apposition. तो अब हम कैसे noun और noun phrase को एक opposition में use कर सकते हैं? So it is, most tourists visit the Taj Mahal. It is one of the wonders of the world. Most tourists visit the Taj Mahal, one of the wonders of the world. She is Shreya. She is my friend. She is Shreya, my friend. Baird was a great inventor. He invented the television. Baird, a great inventor, invented the television. Rabindranath Tagore wrote Gitanjali. He was a great philosopher. Rabindranath Tagore, a great philosopher, wrote Gitanjali. Sir Edwin Lutyens prepared the city plan of New Delhi. He was an English architect. Sir Edwin Lutyens, an English architect, prepared the city plan of New Delhi. Using an adverb or an adverbial phrase. जब हम एक adverb और adverbial phrase को use करेंगे तब. So, you can buy that pencil. It is available at every shop. You can buy that pencil from any shop. The robbers surrendered. It was done without any condition. The robbers surrendered unconditionally. He got a second chance. He was lucky. Luckily, he got a second chance. Many students scribble. It is not legible. Many students scribble illegibly. Next, using a noun plus participle. So, let's talk about this also. It was dark. The prisoners tried to escape. It being dark, the prisoners tried to escape. My friend arrived. We went for lunch. My friend having arrived, we went for lunch. The storm subsided. The fisherman put out her put out their nets. The storm having subsided, the fishermen put out in their nets. The roads were broken. The traffic was blocked. The roads having been broken, the traffic was blocked. Right? Next that we have is compound sentence. Let's talk about compound sentence. A compound sentence contains two or more clauses that can stand on their own. ये कंपाउंड सेंटेंस कंटेन रखता है दो या दो से ज्यादा क्लॉजेस जो कि अपने आप से स्टैंड ले सकते हैं. The clauses in a compound sentence are equally important. तो जो clauses एक compound sentence में होते हैं वो equally important होते हैं. Right? The two clauses can be linked to form a compound sentence with coordinating conjunctions or, and, so, but, yet. कि जो दो clauses हैं एक compound sentence में वो इन conjunctions, coordinating conjunctions की मदद से हम आपस में link कर सकते हैं. Right? So examples are, he worked very hard but he didn't succeed. Shreya cut the fruits and I laid the salad. Next that we have over here is combining two or more simple sentences into a compound sentence. तो अगर हम दो या दो से ज्यादा simple sentences को एक compound sentence में combine करें तो it is he came here, he saw me, or he came here to see me, or he came here and he saw me. Right? Next, walk fast, you will miss the trail. Walk fast or you will miss the trail. Chimpanzees are intelligent. We know it. Chimpanzees are intelligent and we know it. Shreya does not laugh. She does not cry. Shreya neither laughs nor cries. Rohan went in. Sahil followed. Sita hesitated. It is Rohan went in and Sahil followed, but Sita hesitated. Next, conversion of a simple sentence into a compound sentence. तो अब एक simple sentence का conversion एक compound sentence में कैसे किया जा सकता है? In spite of his hard work, the girl did not succeed. Is simple sentence. The girl worked hard, but she didn't succeed. This is the compound sentence. The police caught the man for cheating. This is a simple sentence. The man was a cheat, so the policeman caught him. This is a compound sentence. Finishing their work for the whole day, the workers went home. This is a simple sentence. The workers completed their work and they went home. This is a compound sentence. The pencil having broken, I could not write. This is a simple sentence. The pencil had broken and I could not write. This is a compound sentence. Sitting in front of the mirror, she gazed at her reflection. This is a simple sentence. She sat in front of the mirror and gazed at her reflection. This is the compound sentence. Right? Now, next, this conversion of a compound sentence into a simple sentence. अब हम कैसे compound sentence को convert कर सकते हैं एक simple sentence में? So it is, he finished his homework and put away his bag. This is a compound sentence. Having finished his homework, he put away his bag. This is a simple sentence. We must eat or we cannot live. This is a compound sentence. We must eat to live. This is a simple sentence. He must not be late or he will miss the train. Again, this is a compound sentence. In the event of being late, he will miss the train. This is a simple sentence. They were poor and often suffered great hardships. Again, this is a compound sentence. Being poor, they suffered great hardships. This is a simple sentence. Not only his sister helped him, but his mother too. This is a compound sentence. Besides his sister helping him, his mother also helped. Simple sentence. Now, the next thing that we have is complex sentence. So, अब बात करते हैं complex sentences के बारे में. A complex sentence contains one main clause and one or more subordinate clauses. तो एक complex sentence में एक main clause होता है और एक या दो subordinate clauses भी हो सकते हैं. Right? So, for example, it is, I wash hands before I eat food. Right? So, I wash hands यहाँ पर हमारा main clause है और before I eat food हमारा subordinate clause है. Right? So, main clauses are independent clauses because they make sense on their own. कि main clauses independent clauses हैं क्योंकि ये अपना sense खुद बनाते हैं. Subordinate clauses depend on the main clause and do not make sense on their own. पर जो subordinate clause हैं वो अपने meaning के लिए main clause पर dependent रहते हैं क्योंकि उनका खुद का कोई भी meaning नहीं होता है. So they are also known as dependent clauses. इसीलिए हम इन्हें dependent clauses के नाम से जानते हैं. Now next, we have combining two or more simple sentences into a complex sentence. अब हम दो या दो से ज़्यादा simple sentences को combine करेंगे एक complex sentence में. So it is, in order to join two or more simple sentences into a complex sentence, we must keep the sentence containing the main idea as the main clause, and the rest can be made into noun clause or adjective clause or adverb clause. कि अगर हमें दो या दो से ज़्यादा simple sentences को एक complex sentence में change करना है, तो हमें जो sentence main idea contain करता है उसको main clause की तरह यूज़ करना है और बाकी सारे clauses को हम लोग noun, adverb या फिर adjective clause की तरह यूज़ कर सकते हैं. Right? So, here we have subordinate clause as a noun clause. तो अब एक subordinate clause को हम noun clause की तरह कैसे यूज़ कर सकते हैं? She is right. I am sure about that. I am sure that she is right. He will meet me here. He promised me. He promised me that he would meet me here. You are very honest. It is quite clear that you are very honest is quite clear. She has been absent. I do not know the reason. I don't know why she has been absent. You cheated him. That was his complaint. His complaint was that you cheated him. We shall find the way. This is our belief. It is encouraging. Our belief that we shall find the way is encouraging. Next, we have subordinate clause as an adjective clause. अब subordinate clause एक adjective clause की तरह. So let's read the examples. I met a boy yesterday. I had not seen him before. Yesterday, I met a boy whom I had not seen before. The tiger is hiding in the den. It is in the forest. The den where the tiger is hiding is in the forest. Savita had been to America. She wishes to settle in Mumbai. Savita, who had been to America, wishes to settle in Mumbai. The director was convicted. He resigned his post. The director, who was convicted, resigned his post. There was landslide. 20 people lost their lives in that. There was a landslide in which 20 people lost their lives. Next, subordinate clauses as an adverb. तो subordinate clause अब एक adverb की तरह, adverb clause की तरह जब use किया जाए तब. So it says, he was very tired. He could not run. He was so tired that he could not run. It was raining. She did not come. As it was raining, she did not come. Shreya is pretty. Archana is prettier. Archana is prettier than Shreya is. Try hard, you may succeed. If you try hard, you may succeed. It was very hot. We did not drink the cold water. Though it was very hot, we did not drink the cold water. Now we have conversion of a simple sentence into a complex sentence. अब एक simple sentence को हम एक complex sentence में कैसे convert करेंगे that we are going to read. We bought his bike. We bought the bike which belonged to him. He does not know the time of his arrival. He does not know when he will arrive. He confessed his crime. He confessed that he was guilty. He brought his brother's car. He brought the car which belonged to his brother. He tried hard to win the match. He tried hard that he might win the match. Next, it is conversion of a complex sentence into a simple sentence. अब it is vice versa of the above one, जहाँ पर हम complex को simple में change कर रहे हैं, right? So it is, when the thief saw the police, he hid behind a tie. On seeing the police, the thief hid behind the tie. Although there is inflammation, the standard of living has improved. In spite of the inflammation, the standard of living has improved. When the puppy is away, the kitten will play. In the absence of the puppy, the kitten will play. The thief said that he was innocent. The thief declared his innocence. He is so tired that he cannot play. He is too tired to play. Right? Conversion of a compound sentence into a complex sentence. अब एक compound sentence को हम complex sentence में कैसे convert करेंगे ये जानते हैं. So it says, the ambulance must come soon or the patient will die. If the ambulance does not come soon, the patient will die. The panther was hurt but not killed. Although the panther was hurt, it was not killed. Gandhiji believed in truth, but some of the followers told lies. Though Gandhiji believed in truth, some of the followers told lies. Work hard or you will win. If you work hard, you will win. He wishes to become an engineer. Therefore, he is studying hard. He is studying hard that he may become an engineer. Conversion of a complex sentence into a compound sentence. तो अब हम कैसे एक complex sentence को convert कर सकते हैं compound sentence में, that we need to find out. So it is, I have found the watch that I had lost. I had lost the watch, but I have found it. He is more a joker than an actor. He is something of an actor, but rather more of a joker. If you do not work hard, you will not win. You must work hard, otherwise you will not win. If you do not hurry, you will miss the train. You must hurry or you will miss the train. We pray that we may live in peace. We desire to live in peace, therefore we pray. Right? So that was all about the chapter. I hope you all are doing good in your studies and you are very clear with the topic. So that was all from my side. Thank you so much and do have a great day ahead.